Install the flip tray spacer to the organizer by locating the holes and securing the spacer using the screws provided. The rounded end of the spacer should be closest to the cable restraint area. Install the flip tray tower onto the spacer by sliding it into the slots on the spacer. The tower is fully engaged when the top is flush with the flat edge of the spacer. Install the flip tray into the tower by firmly pressing the tray into the tower position closest to the organizer. Install the hold-down strap into the slots on the organizer. Route buffer tubes to the flip tray. Mark where to open the buffer tube and expose the bare fibers following your standard company practices. Secure buffer tubes to the flip trays using the light grip retention sleeves or felt and tie wraps. Route bare fibers into the tray and reinstall the tray cover. Secure the flip trays to the organizer using the hold-down strap.